This is a video on recording myths. Myth number 1. Digital audio requires less technical skill to use than analog. No, the same technical skill for using digital is the same technical skill for using analog. Myth number 2. The source was already dithered, so I don't need to dither again when I process. Yeah, it's true. At 24-bit recording, you're probably already going to be getting some kind of natural dithering going on there. Most engineers will dither again anyways. Myth number 3. Adding noise is the same as dithering. No, adding noise is not the same as dithering. When you add white noise, dither white noise, it's canceling out a noise floor. So you got a noise floor at minus 30. When you put white noise dither over, it cancels out that noise at minus 30. So adding noise will not, if you're adding just distortion noise to a recording, it's not going to cancel out. It would have to be white noise on top of a noise floor. Myth number 4. The red light comes on while I was recording, but when I played back, there weren't any overs, so I thought it was okay. That's another myth. If you get a signal where it's going into the red, you better not start recording until you pull it down so it's not going into the red. Myth number 5. Peak normalization makes the song levels correct. No, that's another myth. You probably should put it at root mean square, and that's more of a correct, more of a correct level. Okay, myth number 6. Turn it down after clipping, and the clipping will go away. No, that's another myth. You better set it to the levels where it's not clipping. Okay, now next we're going into monitor myths. You must mix master with real world monitors to make a recording for the real world. No, you don't have to go into $50,000 mastering monitors. You could probably get JBL mastering monitors for about $400. So you don't have to, pay an arm and a leg to get good mastering monitors. Okay, here's another myth. Adding high-end helps a recording translate to home systems. No, that's just another myth. This is untrue, because adding high-end screws a recording away from the mean of the bell curve, resulting in one that's sharp, tinny, and fatiguing, and for radio airplay will suffer. Yeah, it's fatiguing and radio airplay will suffer. So those were some myths, recording myths, so you can take that into consideration. Thanks for listening. If you like, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more recording tips. Thanks for listening and happy recording.